Did it. This is Sifu Slim. I'm just getting back from a really good workout. Body weight exercises, out and about using volcanic rocks for my hand positions and my leg positions. Really cool stuff. And after that, I went for a run along the boardwalk on the coast of Florida. So it was really cool. Lots of people out exercising, walking their dogs, doing all these kinds of things. And it's wonderful. So today I wanted to talk to you briefly about the idea of getting motivated. How do you get motivated? Well, the hardest thing to get motivated with is the first step. So the first step in anything, you're remodeling your house, you're doing your taxes, your first day at school, it's that restart, that jump start, or that brand new, that's the hardest part. Once you get on maintenance, the rest is kind of in a state of positive momentum, and you just have to do it again and do it again and do it again. And the more you get into a really good level, like your house, your car, you keep it at a good level, your studies, not waiting till the final exam to cram, you keep that progression going, and you're at a good level of aptitude, of the adeptness, of functionality. And then the idea of keeping that going, the momentum, the maintenance, all those types of things, it just comes naturally, and it's a joy. So the hardest part with a lot of people, and I talk about this in my book, Sedentary Nation, is the idea that exercise is a penalty for being overweight. It's a penalty for having a bad heart. It's a penalty for having poor posture. You got to go out and exercise. It's a penalty for being sedentary, sitting or lying, or just standing in a stationary position all the time. All these are sedentary positions. So the best way, I think, to consider exercise is natural part. It's a natural part of your daily routine and your life. It's very natural. If you go to the zoo and you watch chimpanzees, bonobos, gorillas, they don't lie around very much. They're constantly moving, even if it's only 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 feet away. It's always in constant movement. So that's what our closest relatives in the animal kingdom do. They move all the time. What do? We hang out in sedentary positions on a computer keyboard, on an iPhone with our head down. There's 8 to 10 pounds, and it's pulling on our nuchal ligament and our musculature, and it's closing us down. All of our internal organs are getting crushed in one direction. None of that's good for us. So we've got to be opened up. We've got to be moving. We've got to be deep breathing. Let's do one together. You can use your arms. So you can do chest breathing, you can do diaphragmatic yoga type breathing. Let's do yoga type breathing. Fill up the abdomen. One more. Talk about relaxation. So we got to enliven our systems. And the hard part, as I said, is getting started and being in this constant state of using exercise as a penalty for all these harmful things that we do. Being overweight, eating improperly, having poor posture, being sedentary, having a bad heart, all those things. I know people who have had a bad heart who have remedied the bad heart through proper lifestyle adaptations. Changes in their exercise, change in their diet, change in their stress component, change in their breathing, using a standing desk part of the day, using a conveyor belt desk part of the day, a life cycle desk part of the day. All these things can work. Changing positions, having long phone calls done in a mobile way, so you put the earpiece in and then you go out and you do a little walk around wherever you can walk around. All those things are good. So there's the message for today. The hardest part is the first step. Once you get into a level that you can maintain, and you do maintain it, That's where the joy, that's where the recreation, that's where the exhilaration comes into play. So I'm inviting you into this opportunity. Don't stop after 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. Keep it going for the rest of your life. Again, homage for my hero, Jack LaLanne, for starting me off on that path at a very young age. When I watched him on television, I was 6 years old. What a guy. So I encourage everyone to find some way to motivate themselves. I hope my several hundred videos will help you do that. Wishing you all the best in your mind, body, and spirit, health and wellness. I'm wishing you all the best. Please like, thumbs up down below. Please subscribe, click subscribe, and please leave your respectful comments and fun comments below. I'm Sifu Slim, sifuslim.com. Wishing you all the best in your health, happiness, and wellness. Aloha. That's good. That's a reset. A reset. Really good stuff. Aloha.